Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to clean your touchstones if you left it overnight or something. So I have some dried up silver marks right here. So I was testing a bunch of things I thought were silver, maybe knew to be silver, and different compositions of silver. So now I just have dried residue on here, and you can see it gleam kinda, and that's where the acid still is. So the first thing you want to do is get yourself a folded tissue towel or paper towel, whatever, just to minimize the surface that you might touch rehydrated acids or the silver itself. So I get it pretty damp. Take it and just run it across the whole surface of it. You might have to do it a few times. I'm not sure if there is any danger in rehydrating the acid, but better to be safe than sorry. So just wipe it a few times. Wipe it with the dry side of it. And I shouldn't have left these tests right here overnight. I should have dried them up whenever they were still wet with the acid test. It does cause a little bit of pitting in the touchstone, but it shouldn't cause you any trouble. I tested it with 18 karat, of course, which is why it came out that way. I'm not sure if silver concentration tests or silver acid tests that determine concentration based on color output would cause the same effect, or if it is less or more dangerous to hydrate those acids. I'm just aware of the silver test, the 18 karat silver test. Contains nitric and muriatic acids, hydrochloric and nitric acids. Either way you want to put that. So there can be a present danger, but just minimize that at any possible turn, you know? So yeah, now you got a clean touchstone, ready to use it again. Test different concentrations or purities, gold, silver. And this is an aftermarket touchstone. I'll put all my my tools of the trade down below, so you can use the same stuff I'm using to determine your quality of jewelry, fineness of jewelry, whether it's vintage, antique, fine precious metals. So yeah, there's your clean touchstone, and it's ready to be used again. Thanks a lot for viewing. Like and subscribe. I've been Thrifted Hobbies. Thanks everyone.